Business success depends on bringing beautiful order to complex problems. But sometimes the tools you use can get in the way. This is why we created Basil, the all-in-one practice management solution for accountants and business owners, so you can run your business on all cylinders. Imagine working with your clients and colleagues on an intuitive user interface, securely storing files, editing and sharing documents with ease. State-of-the-art electronic signatures that will save you time and paper. Powerful task management to keep your team laser-focused on delivering projects on time. Communication has never been easier, with email integration and instant chat for when your message can't wait. Forget about making forms and invoices from scratch. Our smart billing feature takes care of everything with just a few clicks. Try out Basil for yourself with our free trial. You'll be dazzled and amazed.